As you following this channel, it's been a while since I started working on bulkheads, so I think it's a final push to, in the next couple episodes, just complete it, as I have enough. I'm waiting for supplies to get more epoxy and more strand, and yeah, let's do it. Let's take this off. You can see there we go. Awesome. Epoxy it out. I wish I had bigger boat now, more room. No, I'm joking. More fiberglassing. I'm gonna keep that as this. We put the sheet in there and put lid on. This is that. But first, need to do a little bit grinding. By the way, we're not sponsored by the grinder. All day. Happy days. I got this tray too as a working platform. Mix epoxy. Be handy. Mighty do that. So we go like that. And two. This is perfect. Just little things that's in there. Awesome. because disaster strike. I dropped this accidentally, so I need to do it quick as possible. Put them there. 3 days. Put that bubble there. Okay, next one. I'm just patching up other bits. I shouldn't do that, but yeah, I need that. Put 2 pieces in there. I'm gonna put this up in there. So I put some sheet up there, and then triangle. I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit more. My GoPro got crazy. Anyway, so we got some silica. Fill the crack. Right, I'm painting this. I'm gonna stick it back there. Just get one coat for now. Stick it back. I'm gonna put some filler around. Can't do any support yet because I'm not sure how we're gonna cut it out. That's fine. Right. Let's go like that. I think like that. Is it? It's looking nice. Do this. Once this end is like wedge, and all's good. You need to think about much about it. Right, as you see, it's raining, but we cut the mat, and we might send some epoxy with a different scale. Never done as much before. Let's see how it's gonna work. Right, let's do it. Right. Squeezed all the bubble. The roller. Next another one. Probably not probably, but we have to buy more. So that be only spent the second, third, 3 times 5, 20 liters so far. What a miserable day. Right, go back to the office. So yesterday we fiberglassed this. And now we're going to try, well, not try, but we're going to peel the peel fly. It's good. All I can see is good. Definitely solid. I'll be fine. Well, I'm happy with the result. Move some stuff from one corner to the other one. And this, start working on the sides there, underneath there. That. Nice to see it even with rubbish weather and wet. It's dry. There's obviously leakage from the other side. But the plan is clean it up, fill, clean it up, sand, fill, epoxy, 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 and yeah.